Hey, what's up? It's Vince Leah, and I have 3 words for you. Carne Asada Fries. Oh yeah, it's going down. Our friends at Organix used to sell Carne Asada Fries. Then they took it off, but they're putting it back on the menu. They're inviting a few of us over to have this epic Carne Asada Fries feast.
I need some food on this fork now.
A bomb.
This is the Southern Belle, and it's heaven. It's a chicken patty with mashed potatoes and gravy. I'm about to have this because I'm a Southern gal from Texas. No need for napkins.
This is just like outrageous.
All right, here we go.
Oh. Oh yeah. Old school chicken finger. Reminds me of when I was a kid. This is a Western bacon burger. It's all in my mouth now, but Western bacon. Oh. Yay, my faves.
Do I want a puerco? Is that what you're asking? Okay, I'll take a bite. I'm a lady.
Bomb.
You keep getting me with the French fry shop, but French fries are my favorite food.
It's 2 bacon waffles and a fried chicken. Pan de Muerto. It's Day of the Dead bread. Those who have passed on are still here with us. Celebrate them on November 2nd. And you always have these memories of them, so they'll never be dead. So they'll always be here with you.
Should cut this. I should. It is amazing. Looks so good.
So I hope you enjoyed this video of Carne Asada Fries. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you've had Carne Asada Fries before. And also don't forget to subscribe. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Oh. That cabbage just whipped me. A photo.
I'm holding my breath so it's still.
I don't know if you need to hold your breath.
Now take a big bite.
Wait, let me see. I don't know what you're doing. It's nothing good. Nothing good.
No, they're good.
Last time I looked like I had three chins.
Hold on though.